Hello, let's discuss how to set smart financial goals and achieve them in this video. Setting smart financial goals is a powerful strategy for achieving long-term financial success. Smart goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Here's a detailed guide on how to set smart financial goals and effectively work towards achieving them. 1. Specific. Clearly define your financial goals with specific objectives and outcomes in mind. Avoid vague or ambiguous goals and be as detailed as possible about what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," specify, "I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 2 years." 2. Measurable. Make sure your financial goals are measurable so that you can track your progress and evaluate your success. Establish quantifiable metrics or milestones that allow you to measure your progress over time. For example, if your goal is to pay off debt, specify the exact amount you want to pay off and track your progress against that target. 3. Achievable. Ensure that your financial goals are achievable and realistic given your current financial situation, resources, and capabilities. Consider factors such as your income, expenses, debt obligations, and time horizon when setting your goals. Set challenging yet attainable goals that stretch your abilities without being overly ambitious. 4. Relevant. Align your financial goals with your broader financial objectives, values, and priorities. Make sure your goals are relevant to your personal or financial aspirations and contribute to your overall financial well-being. Focus on goals that are meaningful and impactful in the context of your life and financial situation. 5. Time-bound. Set specific timeframes or deadlines for achieving your financial goals to create a sense of urgency and accountability. Establish clear start and end dates for each goal and break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks or milestones. This helps you stay focused and motivated as you work towards your objectives. How to achieve smart financial goals. 1. Create a plan. Develop a detailed plan or roadmap outlining the steps you need to take to achieve each smart financial goal. Break down your goals into smaller action items or tasks and prioritize them based on importance and urgency. 2. Track your progress. Monitor your progress regularly and track your performance against your smart financial goals. Use financial tracking tools, spreadsheets, or apps to keep tabs on your income, expenses, savings, investments, and debt repayment progress. 3. Make adjustments as needed. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plan as needed based on changing circumstances, priorities, or challenges. If you encounter obstacles or setbacks along the way, reassess your approach and make necessary adjustments to stay on track toward achieving your goals. 4. Stay disciplined and consistent. Stay disciplined and consistent in your efforts to achieve your smart financial goals. Stick to your plan, adhere to your budget, and maintain focus on your priorities even when faced with temptations or distractions. Consistent action over time is key to success. 5. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate your achievements and milestones along the way to keep yourself motivated and encouraged. Recognize and reward yourself for reaching significant milestones or making progress towards your smart financial goals. By setting smart financial goals and following these strategies for achievement, you can take control of your finances, make meaningful progress toward your objectives, and ultimately achieve greater financial success and security.